Today I'm going to be reviewing this Jalen beautiful ring. I just unboxed it, but I wanted to go ahead and do a full unboxing on video. But I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this ring actually came in a little baggie like this, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the look and feel, especially if you're going to gift this to someone, because I personally think this is such a beautiful detailed ring. And not only is it available in this style, but it's also available in a variety of styles. It was honestly so hard to choose the perfect ring, but look at how beautiful that is. It is a sunflower, it has a cross, you could see the turquoise stones on there, and my favorite part, the sunflower spins. It is so cute. But let me pull it out of the package just to show you, because that is not the only thing about it. I went ahead and put it in the little cardboard that it comes in. It does have like a little slot so you could go ahead and put the ring on there. How cute is that? I absolutely love sunflowers. So this is like such a cute gift idea. It has a little pull string right here on the card. So if you pull it back, it unveils a cute little message. This is such a beautiful, thoughtful gift. It says, turn towards the light, find peace in every moment. Oh, I love the cross, the sunflowers. Such a beautiful gift. This is in 9.25 sterling silver. This is a vintage style ring. Let me go ahead and take it out. And like I mentioned, this is available in other styles, but I liked the sunflower and the cross. Sunflowers are my personal favorite flower, and of course, the cross for my faith. So it is such a beautiful ring. So whether you want it for yourself or for a loved one, definitely such nice quality that this is. Look at that. So I do love the turquoise. I think that that just adds a pop to the ring itself. Such a beautiful ring already, but I think the turquoise just definitely makes it stand out, how it has it in the middle of the sunflower, in the middle of the cross. There is different sizing options available. And again, like I mentioned, they do have a variety of styles. And each ring comes in a charming little gift box just like this. And also inside of the gift box, there is a small little microfiber cloth for it. So if you've been on the lookout for a nice ring for yourself or for a loved one, if you enjoy vintage style rings in sterling silver, then definitely check these out. Take a look at all the variety of styles that they have available. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.